Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make a schematic diagram. Create the first symbol. From File, New, under Name, type Schematic. Use the Pick tool to select both lines, and press Ctrl+D to duplicate them. Right-click on the selected lines and select Symbol, New Symbol. Add more symbols. Lay out the symbols. Connect the circuit. Add text.
Take our lead.
What's the difference between a schematic and a layout? The schematic is a drawing that depicts and specifies the logical connections between components on a PCB. In contrast, the layout is a drawing that depicts the physical connections between components.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A wiring diagram is a simplified conventional pictorial representation of an electrical circuit. It shows the components of the circuit as simplified shapes, and the power and signal connections between the devices.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Block diagram. A diagram of a system in which the principal parts or functions are represented by blocks connected by lines that show the relationships of the blocks. Schematic diagram. A diagram that uses lines to represent the wires and symbols to represent components. It is used to show how the circuit functions.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A single-line diagram, also referred to as a one-line diagram, is usually a single-page document that represents a facility's electrical distribution infrastructure. It will have one single line shown for bus, or cable, to represent all three phases.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Here are some of the standardized, basic schematic symbols for various components. Resistors. The most fundamental of circuit components and symbols. Capacitors. There are two commonly used capacitor symbols. Inductors. Switches. Power sources.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.